Prefab septic tanks give tiny house owners a faster, more predictable way to deploy a compliant on-site wastewater system. Choose polyethylene or fiberglass tanks specifically rated for small flows and designed for residential sewage. Size the system by projecting usage using conservative per-person water use numbers and include a small safety margin rather than relying on the tiny house footprint alone. Prefer tanks with integrated risers and internal baffles so access and flow control are simplified during inspection and maintenance. Confirm that the tank and all connectors meet applicable certification standards in your jurisdiction and that the outlet invert matches your drainfield design to avoid rework. For installation, prepare a level compacted base of gravel or crushed stone and set the tank true to grade, checking levels at multiple points and ensuring proper backfill sequencing to avoid deforming the tank. In areas of high groundwater or poor soils, secure the tank against flotation with concrete anchors or weigh down with properly sized ballast placed on the tank top per manufacturer guidance. Finally, plan for future access by routing service risers to grade and documenting inlet and outlet elevations for whoever maintains the system. Common mistakes include underestimating daily wastewater volume, which leads to premature clogging and failed treatment. Avoid this by sizing for expected maximum occupancy and factoring in wastewater reduction measures such as low-flow fixtures. Another frequent problem is improper base preparation and uneven backfill that warps or stresses the tank shell. The remedy is a uniform compacted stone pad and staged backfill in thin lifts with care to keep the tank centered and supported during backfill. Third, owners sometimes ignore flotation risk in high water tables and later find the tank heaved or damaged. Mitigate this by assessing seasonal groundwater, using manufacturer ballast specs, or employing concrete hold-downs and verifying hydrostatic pressure management before backfilling. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like tiny house septic installations by listing local professionals and sharing real-world project experiences. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, lessons learned, and vendor recommendations to help each other plan and execute these systems.